Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got free Matchbox, and today they're special. Today we got a Matchbox Bentley SUV. We got a old Aston Martin, and we got a 2020 Audi. So today I'm really excited to get open these up. So let's open some. So open the Audi. I don't know why, but when I look at the side, it looks like Nissan Z. But when you actually look at it, it's an Audi. But yeah, I haven't opened these type of... I haven't opened Matchbox in a long time. Yay! And here it is. This is the 2020 Audi TTRS. This car looks really chubby and it's really chubby and it's in a nice baby blue color. And the car goes 320 too. It's pretty fast. And also look, it's the same color like Godzilla. See? Okay, this is gonna be his car. But right now I'm just gonna put him on the rotator. And boom! So yeah, I'm just gonna give this car to Godzilla because it is blue like him. So there's gonna be, oh no! It's gonna be right next to him. So next car is gonna be the Aston Martin. This is a 1956 Aston Martin, whatever. Let's open it. So yeah, let's open you up. Crack you open. Oh. I don't know, every time I open these, it only comes like this. When I open them, it just peels off. But after I gotta peel off more. There you go. Got it. Got him. So here is the 1956 Aston Martin DBR1. This car is actually really nice. It's actually kind of my favorite car. It kind of looks like a Porsche, but it's an Aston Martin. I really like the old tiny design, the red interior. Honestly, it looks pretty cool. I like it. I really like it a lot. But yeah, I think this car would go good with this guy. That's a GMK. But yeah, just put the car right here. And so yeah, let's just get this car and give it to the Godzilla GMK. I'm gonna put him under. There we go. And then last car. Okay, wait guys. There you go. So the next car here is a Bentley Bentayga, the SUV, Bentley SUV. It is really nice and actually kind of heavy too. But yeah, I can't wait to open it up and crack it open. Yeah. Yes. Just gonna slowly. It's stuck. Oh, I got it. There's a hole. I got a hole. Yay. We got it. We got out. Here it is. Here is the Bentley, the 2018 Bentley Bentayga. The car feels it kind of feels tall. And it's got a nice darkish kind of purplish color on it. And the car looks really nice too. And it's also got a double sunroof. And the car goes maybe 300. The car goes 300. No, this car I think goes 300. And this goes 320. I sorry, I messed it up. Oh no! But yeah, the car is really nice. I love it. So let's just put it on top of here, and that's that. But it went left. Done. Okay. So you guys, this is the end of the video. But wait, guys, I gotta see which one fits more. I think this guy. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Got a lot of cleaning up to do for all this trash. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, share, comment. And also, if you're with your friends, and also I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Like, share, comment, share with your friends too. And now all the cars were just combined. The Aston Martin, Bentley, Audi. So yeah, bye bye. Bye-bye. Hope you have a good day. Bye. I like this one a lot.